guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So Crystal had lost a bet, so she had to do a fall recipe, and we wanted to make some chicken today. So we are doing a recipe called chicken noodle bake.
Okay, so the first step, Daryl here will take all that pasta and put it in the casserole dish that we already sprayed. And we'll be right back. Okay, so the pasta is in. Ready for the next step, Daryl?
Yes, I am.
Now, all that chicken you cut up, that's going in.
All right. Well, we'll put this right in there.
Okay, so the next step will be our bacon bits.
Okay.
Because who doesn't love bacon bits, am I right?
You're right. I love bacon bits.
And you're going to use that whole bag.
All right.
Because you can never have too much bacon bits.
That's true.
Yep.
Okay, you're going to take the 2 cans. Do we have 2 cans?
Yep. There's 2 cans.
Okay, you're going to take the 2 cans of cream of chicken soup and spread that out, okay?
All right. Now our last step is we're gonna sprinkle some mozzarella on the top. We're just gonna put a nice fine layer over the top of this, and we're gonna pop it in the oven.
All right, we are ready for the oven, which we have preheated at 375. And we're gonna pop this in there for 15 minutes with the lid off, and then another 15 with the lid on. And then it will be ready. And it looks so good already. I can't wait to try it. All right, it is done. It looks so good, and Daryl is gonna cut a piece and try it.
I'm gonna taste test this and see how it is. I'm gonna scoop some off, put it on my plate here.
Looks so good.
It does look really good. The moment of truth.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
All right, awesome. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.